Coming up next on Sweet Seasons. Exotic Fruits product demo with Tony and Danny.
Exotic fruits are just like friends you haven't met yet.
I see what you mean. I've actually never seen these before.
Well, I'll introduce you to them. Rambutan. It looks like a lychee, but it has hairs.
Oh, so these are hairs. If you hadn't told me, I would have thought they were thorns.
Yeah, they're not. And you actually remove them and it doesn't spike you.
And how do you eat this?
You peel the skin with the hairs and you eat the white pulp and remove the seed that is inside.
Okay. What's this here?
That is called dragon fruit. Dragon fruit comes in red, white, and magenta.
Okay, so you mentioned that it has different colors. Does it vary in taste or how does the color affect?
Not necessarily. And if it does, it's a slight sweeter flavor in between the colors.
Okay. Would you say that this fruit has some health benefits?
It does. It's actually packed with vitamins. We have it available from May to October.
What about this fruit over here?
That is called golden berries. Golden berries come from the same family like the tomatillos.
They do look like a tomato. They also kind of look like a grape. How would you say that you eat this?
Well, you were in the right track. You actually eat them like a grape with the seeds and the skin.
Wow. So the seed's not dangerous in this at all?
At all.
Okay. What about this banana here?
That is called Thai banana. Thai banana is known for its sweet flavor and it's great for desserts such as pancakes and tempura.
Okay, and how would you say that this banana differs from regular bananas that we're used to seeing at the store?
Well, if you can see, the skin is much thicker, which makes the lifespan much longer, and the taste is sweet.
And when is this available?
This one is available all year round.
Okay. What about this here? It looks like nothing I've seen before.
That one is called banana flower.
Okay.
It's popular in Southeast Asia.
Okay. And how do you eat this?
This, you eat the pistils fried like potatoes.
Okay. Sounds good. What about these here? What is this?
That's called mangosteen. Mangosteen is known as the king of the fruits.
How would you eat this?
Well, as you can see, you will remove the thick layer of the skin with hand or with a knife, depending on the soft shell, and you eat the white pulp, and sometimes you have to remove the seed.
Okay. Would you say that you eat this raw, or is there any way that you can prepare it?
Yes, you eat it raw, and it has a sweet, tendery flavor.
Okay, so what's next? What's this here?
That is called jackfruit. Jackfruit is known in vegetarians and vegans because of its texture like the meat.
Okay, so you would say that they use this as a meat substitute.
Yes.
Okay.
But the flavor is different. The flavor is actually sweet. If you eat it raw, like it's shown right here, it tastes like in between pineapple, mango, and orange.
Yeah, I can sense that it's very sweet just from the aroma.
Yes.
Okay.
So now you know you might not feel familiar with some of these fruits.
But they can easily become part of your daily routine.
For more information on this and all of our products, check out our highlights section or visit sweetseasonsllc.com. Always fresh, always available. Always Sweet Seasons.